First graders, we're going to now investigate sound. The question we're going to investigate is, how can vibrations make sound? Just like the guitar string that was stretched in our previous lesson, a rubber band can stretch. You can pluck it, it will vibrate. You can observe or see how a rubber band vibrates. First, I'm going to review the materials and the procedures or steps for this investigation. Then I will do the experiment with you. So let's get started. The materials you will need are 2 rubber bands of different sizes, different thicknesses, a cardboard box, and a hand lens is optional. If you have it, great. If not, no worries. Step 1. Choose one rubber band. Step 2. Stretch the rubber band around the box as seen in the picture. Step 3. Predict. That means to take a good guess. What will happen when you pluck the rubber band? Step 4. Pluck the rubber band and see how it vibrates. Then stretch the second rubber band around the box and pluck it. How does that vibrate? Now go to the next Nearpod slide so you can watch me do the experiment as you do it too.